Hello, my name is Michael Wengert and welcome to Toyota Lancaster. I wanted to take the time to introduce you to the newest member of the Toyota lineup, the 2019 Corolla Hatchback. This sporty hatchback is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic high beams, a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, and road sign assist. With its 168 horsepower four-cylinder engine, you get 32 miles per gallon city, 42 miles per gallon highway, and a combined total of 36 miles per gallon. The 2019 Corolla Hatchback is equipped with an 8-inch display. Apple CarPlay is standard, but don't worry, Android users. It's equipped with Intune 3.0, which is compatible with any Android device. The 2019 Corolla Hatchback is equipped with the electronic parking brake, which means no pedals or bulky levers to pull. So whether you live here in Lancaster, Palmdale, Roseman, Cal City, Edwards Air Force Base, Acton, Agua Dulce, or anywhere in the greater Antelope Valley, heck, even the greater Los Angeles area, we have the right new or used Toyota for you. If you're tired of going through the games, the runaround you find at other dealerships, come to Toyota Lancaster. Again, my name is Michael Wengert, and please don't hesitate to call me at 661-618-2600. I'm looking forward to seeing you and helping you.